related fields to physics ከፊዚክስ ጋር related የሆኑ ፊልዶችን እናያለን። Our objective is identify different general field of physics and their application in life. የተለያዩ የፊዚክስ ጀነራል ፊልዶችን እና አፕሊኬሽናቸውን ላይፍ ላይ እናያለን። ፊዚክስ doesn't work alone. ፊዚክስ ብቻውን አይኖርም። It powers many other scientific fields and technologies. ብዙ ሳይንቲፊክ ፊልዶችና ቴክኖሎጂ ጋር ግንኙነት አለው። For instance, geophysics, it's study about the earth, structure of the earth, internal, external part of the earth. Geophysics, earth, studies about the earth. Chemistry is the branch, the chemistry deals about atoms, electron, proton, and neutron, and bonds. Biophysics studies about blood flows and cells and structure of human bodies. Medical physics studies about medical devices like X-ray, ultrasound, and so on. Engineering studies about the structure of the buildings, smartphones, engines, and so on. For instance, engine, buildings. Geology is about studies about the earth. Chemistry. Physics explains how atoms and molecules behave. This forms the base of the chemical reactions. So, the relation that bonds chemistry and physics is the bond and the chemical reactions. ስለዚህ ኬሚስትሪ ከፊዚክስ ጋር ያለው ግንኙነት ስለ ቦንድ እና ስለ ኬሚካል ሪአክሽን ነው። Engineering uses physics to build everything from bridge to mobile phones. Engineering the physics ላይ አፕላይ የሚደረገው ከብሪጅ እስከ ሞባይል ፎን ድረስ የፊዚክስ አፕሊኬሽን ኢንጂነሪንግ ላይ ነው። Geology. The geologists apply physics to study earthquake, rock, structure, and heat movement inside the earth. The geology applies physics to study earthquake, rock, structure, and heat movement. ስለ መሬት፣ ስለ earthquake፣ ስለ heat flow inside the earth የሚያጠናልን geology ይባላል። Biophysics. Physics helps explain how biological systems like muscles and cells functions. Geophysics. This uses physics to explore Earth, the internal, and track natural disasters. Medical physics branch of support medical tools like X-rays, MRI, and radiation therapy. እነዚህ ነገሮች ያጠናልናል ሜዲካል ፊዚክስ